finna give your ass the game, man. You know I break it down. Come on, man, you know it's Bain.
Here's the chart I wanted to look at. If nobody else has questions, it's GBP breaking it down, JPY. Yeah, if anybody else has questions, I'm cool with that too.
Okay, this is all the pound pair guys are probably some of the ones that you're gonna see me call more trades on, because they absolutely do numbers, bro. They do numbers. All right, but let's look at this one. All right, so pound JPY, I'm just put on the session indicator. All right, boom. All right, so let me erase this and erase this, but I'm gonna just evaluate this one from, again, this is all said and done, right? This is, this has happened already, but again, we can always put it in replay mode as well to kind of play it out. As a matter of fact, let's do that right here. Boom. All right. Okay, so great, we kept the session. All right, so boom. Now we already got a high. Well, the session hasn't ended. Let's just play it forward until we get into the London session. All right, so boom. All right, boom. Let me backtrack it a little bit. All right, boom. So now it is 3 o'clock in the morning right here. All right, 2:45, but about to be 3 o'clock, and we can see that we got a high right here. We got the low right here of the Asian session. All right, so what are we looking for in the London session? I'm sure you guys can tell me now. We're looking for a break of the low or the high. All right, let's see if we get it. Boom, we got a break of the low. So that tells you guys, all right, who wanted to get punished, who had the most money in this accumulation phase. The buyers had the most money, so they took them out. They just took everybody out. Let's see how many pips this was. Probably wasn't much. It's on the 15-minute time frame, but nope, it's the GJ. So it's 70 pips in 1 hour. 70 pips in 1 hour, guys. Okay, so from 3:15 to basically 4:15. 3:15 to 4:15, 72 pips. Okay, and again, this is why we can still make money on breakouts and buildups. Like, without the session, right, I would have had a support line right there. This would have been my breakout. That would have been a little retest, right? And I would have went down to the 5-minute. Did you see that retest? Right on it. The candle opened and closed below it. I would have got in and I would have been in profit. But the thing was, I wouldn't have been, I wouldn't have gotten into profit from way up here, because I had to wait for, the sellers to come in, right? It's still a valid move in the grand scheme of just support and resistance, right? But when you understand it from a market manipulation standpoint, you understand that this isn't going to fall forever, right? And you kind of have a leg up of knowing that it wants to reverse, right? This was the false move, but we still made money. You get what I'm saying? But you're going to make more money understanding now that this was the false move. That's what I'm trying to get at. And I hope you guys understand what I just said just now. That's the part that I'm trying to get at, is that you guys are going to understand which part was the manipulative part, so that you can get ready to catch it to the other side. So boom, let's put it back on. All right, there's the breakout. So now what are we looking for? We're looking for opportunity to buy, right? We're looking for some kind of double. We're looking for some kind of chart pattern, some kind of candle pattern that's going to give us an indication to buy. So let me slow this down a little bit. Let's play it. Let's see what we get. All right, that's too slow. Okay, look right here. So now it's created, this is the lowest point right now. The reason why this is the lowest is because here the candles got up. It didn't make a whole big V, but you can see that the candles are higher and it's showing a little rejection. So this is technically a higher low from this low. All right, so even if I put like a little support area right here, right, nothing major, but this is a higher low, right? Am I seeing any kind of candle pattern? Not quite. I mean, this is a little M right here. Boom, bam, boom, bam, right? That is a little M, and that could very well be enough for me. Okay, so I'll see this. I will place my buy. Oh, it's wrong one. Place my buy right there. Stop loss. Look, 42 pips, right? Right below the low, right? That it made out the breakout. And now here, I can aim right here to the low of the Asian session. right? Give me a guaranteed 42 pips, right? Because I know it wants to come back to there, right? It's almost there already because I fast forwarded just past that candle, right? But boom, so boom, I'm seeing that rejection, right? And I'm getting the beginning of the leg. It hasn't quite formed yet, so I'm still patient, right? Hit the next candle, all right? And boom, right? You see how I had all that indecision and then it really turned into an actual bull candle. So it did that. So now I got in the trade, right? There's my long position and I'm setting my stop loss right below that swing low and I'm taking it to the low of the Asian session. So let's play it. Boom, 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 swimming in the green. Boom. Look at that. Hit it already, right? Even a little above my initial target, right? So now let's see how long that took. This is 50 minutes. So guys, I got in the trade at 5:10 in the morning, and I got out of the trade at 6:10 in the morning, and I made 40 pips. If I had a standard lot, I made $400. Guys, you guys will start to see just how legit this is and how much money you're going to be able to make when you understand what I'm saying. Accumulation, false move, wait for the bottom, the candlestick pattern to tell you that price is going to reverse in the direction opposite of the breakout, right? Of the high or the low, right? Whatever it was, you look for that to get ready and then you enter it. But now, what if I aim for here, right? So I could have had just this order in to aim for the swing, the Asian low, but then I could have placed a buy stop order right above this low to get to the high, right? That's so I could have had two orders, or I could have just aimed for the high, right? You know what I mean? Because as it's hitting the low, I could just move my stop loss and move it in profit. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I do that like religiously. You guys know me, right? I'm trying to make every trade a risk-free trade. And that's the only way you can do that is by monitoring it, right? Within the hour, right? You should be in profit within the hour. And you just come in and put your stop loss right above your entry price. And then let this bad boy do his thing. So it don't matter if it gets to the swing low or the Asia low, or if it gets to the Asia high or the middle, you got a risk-free trade. Even if it goes against you, like let's say it hits the low and then it bounces back down, because again, this is still resistance, okay? Price can get up in here and then it can reverse. Right? Because again, there's different variations on this thing, but at the basis, if you know this, you're gonna have a leg up and you're gonna be able to make some money. But now let's go ahead and let this play out, and let's see what's what. Excuse me. So boom, there it is. All right, speed it up. All right, come on. What you got? What you got for me? Okay, collecting a little more contracts. All right, that's cool. All right, but etching up slowly but surely, faking people out. Yep, do your thing. Oh, we in the New York session. We've been in the New York session from right here, but you know, here's the overlap of it a little bit. And now, right there, boom, it hit right here.
Wanna get paid, master Forex, like a sensei, then you know you gotta come and swing my way. And if you wanna fast forward, hit replay.